Welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube. We've got some Mason's Blue and White China to show you in this video. Mason's Vista is the pattern. These we're listing as the tall bowl teacups. They did make a sort of more open Victorian round bowl teacup shape as well, but these are the more upright versions. 1940s, 1950s are the date range for these. Blue Vista's got this characteristic old blockwork design on it, and then this gadrooned, semi-gadrooned, it's not a full gadroon, but moulding around the rims, and that's picked up on the saucers. Dimensions on these saucers are slightly smaller than the ones used on the wide bowl teacups, but the inner rim for the teacup well, or the well in the saucer, is exactly the same, so they can be used on either. Nice handle decoration and moulding on these, with that little bit of transfer design coming all the way down, and good period, very dark Mason's Vista round crown marks on the saucers, and slightly earlier actually Mason's Vista permanent detergent proof decoration marks on these saucers, introduced in the 1920s and 30s, that mark, but I think these again are probably 1940s and the teacup probably 1950s. Nice period pieces, glaze condition on them is very good, nice and clean, nice and bright, very nice collector's sets. We've got 3 of these duos available. We've also got an additional 3 teacups that are going on sale individually. So if you've got the saucers and have broken some of your handles, opportunity to stock up and replenish your set. Description link below will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website where these pieces are going on sale from the United Kingdom this afternoon. Thanks for watching.